Welcome to this video where we'll discuss subtraction in binary. Now we're going to do this the way that our computer is going to do it. There might be easier ways to do subtraction that you might find on YouTube, and it's okay if you learn how to do that, but I do want you to learn how to do it this way. That way you know how to make a computer do it this way as well. So I have two binary numbers here, and the top one is 35 and the bottom number is 10. So when we do the subtraction, we should end up with 25 as the final answer. So how we're going to subtract these numbers is we're going to take the first number, 35, and we're going to add to it a negative version of the second number. So that's obviously equal to 35 minus 10, which is equal to 25. So what we'll do is we'll convert this positive 10 right here, and we know it's positive because the most significant bit is a 0. We'll convert that to a negative 10, and then we'll just add our positive 35 with our negative 10, and we should end up with 25 as our answer. So to convert this 10 into a negative number, we'll just start off with our 10, and we'll invert all the bits, and then we'll add 1 to it. And again, we're only adding these two numbers here. This is our original number. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry the 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this number right here is negative 10. And now we can take our 35 and our negative 10. And again, this is our 35. And this right here is our negative 10. And we can just add these two numbers together. Now, if you notice, there is a carry left over, but once again, if we're using 8-bit numbers, there's no spot for it, so it just falls off. And we're left with this number right here. And doing a quick check, we can convert this number to decimal, and sure enough, it's equal to 25. So this is our final answer. And whenever you're doing this on a homework or test, you might want to put a nice box around it to make sure we know what the final answer is and we don't accidentally look at your 2's complement as your final answer. So let's go ahead and do one more example. So this time we're going to take the number 10 and subtract 35 from it. And as you can tell, the final result should be negative. So that's one way that we can check our answer. Look at the sign of the final result and make sure it matches. So let's go ahead and take our 2's complement of 35. Remember, we got to add 1 to it. So this here is negative 35. Now let's go ahead and do our math. So we'll put 10 over here. And we'll put negative 35 down below it. So the positive 10 goes up here. The negative 35 goes right there. And when we're done, all we have to do is add them. And this becomes our final answer. Now, if you look at the most significant bit right here, sure enough, it's a negative bit. But that might not be enough to check our answer. To check our answer, to verify that this really is negative 25, what we have to do is take the 2's complement of it to get the positive version of this number and then convert that to binary. So let's go ahead and take the 2's complement of this number. And again, this is just to check to make sure we have the right answer. This should be the right answer if we did everything correctly. So let's go ahead and check by taking the 2's complement of it. And hopefully this is equal to 25. And I'm just using a calculator that converts binary numbers to decimal numbers real quick. And sure enough, this is 25. So this is negative 25 and the correct answer.